Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tech Advisory. Today we're going to unbox Huawei P Smart, a really nice budget phone. It was released in December 2017. Alright, so let's see what comes in the box. That's a pin to open the SIM slot or memory card slot. That's a user manual. That's a micro USB cable. The USB power adapter. This phone doesn't support the fast charging. And the headphones. It has a matte aluminum body, matte finish aluminum body. I love the screen to body ratio. A thin, lightweight, fits easily in the palm of your hand. It has 3 GB RAM and 32 GB of storage. Processor is octa-core 2.3 GHz. That's a power button, volume control keys, front cameras, speaker. On this side there is a SIM slot. In the bottom is a headphone jack, microphone, micro USB cable and the speaker. It has a built-in 3000 mAh battery. That's the fingerprint. Dual rear camera with LED flash. It's a nice bright 5.65 inches full HD 1080p times 2160 pixel display. It has a 13 megapixel camera. The rear camera and the front camera, it's 8 megapixel. That lets you take selfies with a simple wave of your hand. It also supports dual Bluetooth connection and a smart split screen. You can use 2 apps at the same time. It's about 143 grams and the operating system it's Oreo 8.0. The touch panel is very responsive. It's pretty fast. It comes in gold, blue and black color. The screen to body ratio is awesome. It's a small phone. The phone feels pretty small, but the screen is big. If you are in the market for cheap, reliable and fast phone, Huawei P Smart is a great phone to invest in. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.